All right, guys, gals. So I want to spend a quick second and walk you through how to do this activity, mainly because it is a paper activity that we're trying to do in a digital format. So this is going to be a little bit weird on how to do this, but it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. So today we're going to do an activity called the index fossils activity. So first off, we got a little bit of an introduction for you. Highly encourage you to read it. It kind of relates to everything we've been doing this week so far. And then we're going to do an activity A here. It says drag the boxes to the right to make one long chain in order from oldest to youngest. Okay. So youngest will be at top, oldest will be at the bottom, which is kind of what we've been learning about. So we have these outcrops A, B, C, and D. These are similar rock layers, but they're in different areas. And so we need to use all the data in order to figure out where these rocks go. And so if you look here, I'm actually going to drag these rocks and I'm actually going to try to put them in order from youngest to oldest based on the data that I have over here. Okay. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to make a copy of this handout, your own copy, and then you are actually going to do these activities here, and then you're going to answer the question there. Okay. And so this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be dragging these boxes and putting them in a column, and what we call a geologic column. Okay, this is not a real column of rocks. Okay, scientists will do this all the time. They'll kind of put all the layers together to give you one composite column, kind of showing you the geological changes over time. So this is a fictional column that we're making over here by using the real data over here and kind of putting these in order. So I just want to just kind of really quickly kind of give you some ideas and some clues here, just get you started. But I'm not gonna give away the answer. So the very first thing, we know that these rocks down here are the oldest, right? And so we're gonna start with these squiggly lines here, which are representative of gneiss rock types. Okay, so gneiss rock types here, but note that there is no gneiss here. Okay, we have gneiss types at the bottom, but we got this guy below it here. That guy must be older than that. So I'm going to take the granite. I'm going to move it at the very bottom. And then I'm going to take this nice rock. I'm going to put it on top of the granite. And so I'm using C as my evidence for what is at the very bottom. Okay, so I got the squiggly lines here. What comes next after the squiggly lines? Well, I have a couple different options. I got these lines, I have these crosses, and I have these circles. Okay, interesting. So I'm going to look at these. I got squiggly. Oh, I got squigglies over here too. I got A and D have the squigglies on top of it, and I have the circles on this one. So the circle is above the squiggly, it's also above that one. It's missing there. Oh, I got circles above this one. And so column D here is going to be my next indicator that I'm probably going to have to go with the schiststones. And then I'm going to go with the circle conglomerate stones. Those are actually inclusion. I'm going to use that for an indicator because again, I got the circled over top of the gneiss, circle over top of the gneiss. Okay, and that's missing there in C, but maybe something happened. All right, I'm not going to give away any more answers, but again, this is what you're going to be doing today for activity A. For activity B, you're going to do the same idea. You're going to move these guys around a little bit, and you are going to tell me what order do they go in order to kind of figure out the story using the data provided to you. Okay. So again, all the yellow boxes need to be complete today, and you're going to look at these. Your teacher might actually print out some pieces of paper because it simply should be in school. Your teacher might print out some pieces of paper, and you can actually cut and move things around on your table and try to figure out the order as well. All right, that's it for me. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you ask your teachers, okay? Bye, guys.